Which number is bigger, 129 to the power of 7 or 15 to the power of 12? At first glance, this comparison looks impossible without a calculator. But stay with me, because a clever mathematical comparison will reveal the answer. We are going to compare the two numbers, 129 to the power of 7 and 15 to the power of 12 using inequalities and powers of 2, without computing them directly. We start by observing that the number 129 is strictly greater than 128. Raising both sides of the inequality to the power of 7 gives 129 to the power of 7 is strictly greater than 128 to the power of 7. Now, since 128 is equal to 2 to the power of 7, we deduce that 129 to the power of 7 is strictly greater than 2 to the power of 7 all to the power of 7, which implies that 129 to the power of 7 is strictly greater than 2 to the power of 49. We call this inequality number 1. Beside that, we observe that 16 is strictly greater than 15. Since 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, we deduce that 2 to the power of 4 is strictly greater than 15. Raising both sides of this inequality to the power of 12 gives 2 to the power of 4 all to the power of 12 is strictly greater than 15 to the power of 12. This means that 2 to the power of 48 is strictly greater than 15 to the power of 12. We call this inequality number 2. We also know that 2 to the power of 49 is strictly greater than 2 to the power of 48. We call this inequality number 3. By combining inequality number 1, inequality number 2, and inequality number 3, we obtain 129 to the power of 7 is strictly greater than 2 to the power of 49, which is strictly greater than 2 to the power of 48, and 2 to the power of 48 is strictly greater than 15 to the power of 12. Therefore, we conclude that 129 to the power of 7 is strictly greater than 15 to the power of 12. Numerically, 129 to the power of 7 is approximately 5.9446730.249 times 10 to the power of 14, while 15 to the power of 12 is approximately 1.2974633.789 times 10 to the power of 14. This means that 129 to the power of 7 is almost 5 times larger than 15 to the power of 12. Without heavy calculations, we successfully compared two huge numbers using mathematical reasoning. This is the true power of inequalities. If you like this kind of clever math trick, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves challenging comparisons. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.